look around, buttons are everywhere, differing in color, shape, size, style, and in many other ways. But there is one thing in common. To make them work, you push. What if you can push them without physically being where they are? What if you can make them work automatically on their own? It's a microbot push, a tiny wireless robotic finger that can push any button. Now you can push this with your smartphone. Push is very easy to install and use. Just attach it on a surface where the button you want to push is located. Pair with this companion helper on a box and use your smartphone to push it from anywhere, anytime, even from outside. No wires, no tools required. With push, you can control your light switches, turn on your home computer for work, play music, start making coffee, turn off electric fan, and many other things. It's only limited by your imagination. Push is simple yet very sophisticated. We designed the gears and PCB from the ground up for the lowest possible power consumption and the maximum torque to push most of ordinary buttons. In fact, you don't even need a smartphone to use it. It just works. Protobox is the brain for microbots, and it's what automates them with other sensors and services. Using its groundbreaking user interface, all you need to do is scribble a note that describes how you want to automate your microbots. The autocomplete feature will also help you write rules. With Protobox, you can start making coffee when you wake up. Get things on your desk ready when you enter your office. Lights when the sun goes down, and a lot more, all automatically without your smartphone.
Today's world is just so busy. There's endless to-do lists, there's stressful jobs. Sometimes all you need is a place where you can just breathe a little easier. And that is why we do what we do.
Say hello to Pura, the world's first truly smart air freshener, fully controlled from your mobile device. Pura works differently than any other air freshener. You can tailor it to your lifestyle. Pura allows you to create your own schedule of fragrancing with options to control the time and the rooms that you want to be fragranced. And with 2 fragrances per dispenser, you can even control which fragrance you want at any given time. Each Pura dispenser also has a USB port to ensure that you don't lose access to your outlet. Why waste money? Pura dispensers automatically turn off when you leave your home. When you return, the dispensers resume the schedule you've set. And regardless of where you are, from your mobile device, you can override the dispensers and turn them on so that your home will smell great before you arrive.
The Pura dispenser is really different from other fragrant dispensers, obviously because of the functionality of it. But when you put it right next to something that you get at a convenience store, you know in seconds that it's different. It does something different. It's supposed to do something different. And then all the feedback we really got from a lot of people using it or seeing it and going to contests was great validation to either keep certain aspects of it or change certain aspects of it without ruining or taking away any of the functionality of your plug.
Each dispenser has a smart night light, and with over 16 million color options, you'll be sure to find color to match your style.
Our goal is to make sure your space smells great without the hassle. We're very excited to bring to you Pura, the world's first smart air freshener. We have been working very hard, and the entire Pura team is focused on creating the highest quality product for you. We will continue to make sure every aspect of Pura exceeds your expectations.
We can't do this alone. We need your help for tooling and to enter into production. Please help fund Pura and we'll bring you a touch of fresh air. Thank you.
My name is Laurent Schnauer. I'm co-founder of Fly. I'm really passionate about new technologies and I naturally fell in love with drones when I first met them a few years ago. I'm convinced that in the future we'll have flying robots around us helping us in our daily lives. But before that, we must overcome a few challenges, in particular with respect to safety and usability. So what we did at Fly is to go back to the drawing board and invent the flying robot of the future. It had to be safe, robust, and with a great user experience. We've been hacking around in my attic for about a year, building prototypes out of balsa wood and DIY electronics. And after many trials, Fly eventually stayed in the air and proved to us that it was all possible. So based on this, we managed to convince Pierre Loest, who is a famous Belgian entrepreneur, but also a talented drone pilot. He became really enthusiastic about the project and decided to invest.
Quand j'ai vu pour la première fois Fly, j'ai tout de suite compris que c'était pas un drone. C'est autre chose. C'est comme un dessin de Da Vinci ou de Spielberg qui prend réalité devant vous. Prenez Fly en main et vous comprendrez pourquoi j'ai décidé d'investir dans ce projet.
What makes flying design so innovative? It's made of a single shielded propeller and 4 control vanes for stability. It has the same size and weight of a soccer ball, it's packed with sensor, a powerful onboard computer, a HD camera and a Wi-Fi connection. We wanted Fly to be smart and autonomous, so you don't have to be always piloting it. You can select a simple mission through the mobile app and just enjoy the live streaming. Fly is a lot of fun to play and interact with, but it's more than a toy. It's really a platform on which you invent the future of flying robots. We have 2 APIs and an SDK which enable developers to create applications for controlling Fly remotely or run on the onboard computer. It runs Linux and supports the popular computer vision library OpenCV. You can make Fly autonomously detect and react to what it sees, like tracking someone or something in a room.
Fly is really amazing because it's in the air, but it doesn't seem mechanical. When I saw the Fly the first time flying, I was really impressed about the simplicity of the construction. It's so amazing simple, and if it comes too close, you can just push it away and it moves again and you don't hurt your fingers or anything else.
We now have a complete functional prototype of Fly and we are ready to enter the production stage. So when you support us on Kickstarter, you are showing us that you share our vision and our enthusiasm. So we invite you to join the flight crew, make a pledge, and let's build the future of flying robots together.
The sun is essential for life on Earth. It stimulates the photosynthesis and makes the plants grow. Those plants transform the CO2 into oxygen that guarantee our living conditions. The sun warms up our planet, and through evaporation and raining, it keeps the water doing its cycle. The sun is also essential for the health of the human being. Since the antiquity, man knows that the sun is a great energy source provided on Earth. And for the last 40 years, we have tried to capture this raw energy with PV panels. But the Earth is moving around the sun and the fixed panels are losing efficiency. So we have invented the tracking system in order to follow the sun path all day long. But it's expensive and the weather makes it fragile. But one day, a simple man had a simple idea. By using the perfect geometry of a ball lens, we could concentrate the light on a focal point. It would make it more sustainable because we reduce the cell surface. It would make it more efficient because we generate more energy and also with diffuse light. Thanks to the miniaturization, the tracking system converts itself into a micro-tracking system, which guarantees no weather impact. and its scalable and transparent properties allow fully building integration. After more than 2 years of investigations and many prototypes, he has found the perfect shape, the perfect materials, and the perfect design for the dual-axis tracking system. Andre Brussels starts with a statement. There are currently over 1 billion phones on our planet. They represent a consumption of more than 10 terawatts per year. If all the users of cell phones had a roll-on device charger at home, we could close one nuclear power plant. This is only one example, and we already have many ideas for applications, both electrical and thermal, to be developed, such as electric car loading stations, energy-producing windows, or autonomous power generators. But we need your help to design and produce those objects. Help us to make the planet a better place for our kids.
This is the EcoCube, your window to nature. Get the beauty of an aquarium without the maintenance. The no-hassle design is stress-free, compact, and easy to use. Just fill it with water, plug it in, and enjoy. Never change filters, ever. The EcoCube's unique aquaponics filter uses plants to filter the water. Fish create waste that fertilize the plant, and as the plant grows larger, the aquarium gets even cleaner. It's the same way nature cleans our rivers, lakes, and oceans. This is the best low-maintenance aquarium, period. And it's more affordable than ever. Other aquariums and filters can run over $100. The EcoCube C is a better product at a fraction of the cost. Have it in your home, your office, your school, anywhere. It's designed for professionals, teachers, children, everyone. Designed and assembled in San Diego, get the same quality product made better. Back this project now. Share it with friends and family. The EcoCube is just the beginning. This process could change how we grow our food. Join our movement to educate the world about aquaponics and promote sustainability by getting an EcoCube into every home. Get yours today. The EcoCube. Everything works. Together. Back the Kickstarter today.